كما علمنا ايه ريحان انتبه كمان انتبه 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 لا انتبه نعم انتبه انتبه be careful انتبه careful ريحان انتبه نعم كما علمنا أن شهر رمضان قد دخل أن الشهر رمضان قد دخل ومعنى رمضان انتبه رمضان fasting. Funny enough, while I was coming to school this morning, Rahana saw me eating on white cow.
What are you eating?
And he said, my daddy, are you going to Ramadan? So Ramadan is not a place you go to. It's not a place you go to. Ramadan is a month, and we have taught you Ashhur al-Qamariya, right? Ashhur al-Qamariya. Do you know it?
Yes.
What is Ashhur al-Qamariya? The lunar month. You know we have a Gregorian calendar. That is January to December. Then we have the lunar month. And I told you lunar is moon. That's using moon to count days, okay, or to count years. So who can read Ashhur al-Qamariya for us? Yeah, everybody. Ashhur al-Qamariya. Now, so we have Ramadan there being the 9th month. The 9th month. Hello? What's wrong with you? We have Ramadan there being the 9th month. So Ramadan is not a... We want to talk about etiquettes of Ramadan. There are things you should do inside Ramadan. There are things you should not do inside Ramadan. Should we discuss it? Yes. Do you want to close your eyes?
No.
Then why are you making noise? As I said, that Ramadan is the 9th month of the lunar month. There are things you need to know with regards to this month. The first one is that, most of you, do you have anyone fasting here? But many of you are not fasting. Okay, you are fasting, are you? Wait. If you are fasting, you will not take lunch. You will not eat in the break. Is it clear? And also, you shouldn't be running and be playing because you will get tired. You will be thirsty and you want to drink water. That's why a good school should not put their entire sports during this period. Because you have Muslims among your people and you want them to participate. You expect them to go and terminate their Ramadan, their fasting, their Siyam because of your entire sports. So it's wrong. Is it clear? So that's why you see many Muslim schools, they have done their inter-house sports before now. Even ourselves, our excursion normally should be after our examination, but we have to go because we knew that Ramadan was approaching. You get me? So now, hello, al-hudu, decorum, decorum, perfect, decorum, say, perfect silence, decorum, perfect silence. So you don't run around because you will soon be thirsty and that will frustrate you to terminate your soul, which is wrong, is it clear? But before that, what you should have done night before the day, is it clear? Night in Islam, night, we can't night before the day. This means that this, no, we are in the day now. The night was last night, yesterday night. We have counted today's night since yesterday, is it clear? And there is a hadith which says that man lam yubayyit bi siyam qabla al-fajr fala siyam lahu. Anyone who does not have intention of fasting, anyone who does not have intention of fasting in the night before the dawn, al-fajr, that the one that comes out around 5:10, al-fajr, God says wal-fajr, so that's fajr, dawn, good of you, wal-fajr. So al-fajr, that al-fajr is done. So before it comes out, you should have intention in your mind. Your intention is said with mind, not by mouth. Is it clear? So you have intention that I will fast. Anyone who fasts without intention will not have that fasting. So there's difference between Ramadan fasting and other fasting, like Monday, Thursday. You may not have the intention. You may come back after Salatu Subuhi, and feel like, I want to fast today. Is it clear? It happened during the time of the Prophet. He came back from mosque after the Fajr has come out. After the dawn has appeared, as if it disappeared, they have observed Subuhi. He came back. When he came back, he asked his wife, Hafsa, one of the prophet's wives. Her name was Hafsa. You know Aisha is part of her wife, his wives. Sorry, part of his wives. Abi, Khadija. Abi, now Hafsa. Is it clear? So Hafsa said, my husband, you don't have anything at home to eat. He said, instead of me to now be hungry for nothing, I will turn it to reward. In me, even saw him, I will be fasting then. So he changed it to fasting. And he did not take his sahur. He did not take his meal. He did not take his meal. The food you eat, he did not take it in the morning before he dawn, before al-fajr. He did not take it. He changed it to fasting. Is it clear? But if it is Ramadan, every night you have to bring that intention that I will be fasting tomorrow. Is it clear? In the morning. You get me? Also, from things you need to do, from things you need to observe is your daily salawat, your daily 5-day obligation prayers. Your 5 obligation prayers. Most of you not observe, you know yourself, oh, yeah, you are hiding your face. Most of you not observe subhi at all. It's only when you come here you observe zuhur. And after that, answer when you get home, maghrib, you not observe it. Don't do that. You make sure you observe your salawat, your 5 days obligation prayer. Is it clear? After that, from what you need to observe also is recitation of Quran. Recitation of Quran. Now, maybe you have not known how to recite Quran very well. And those of you in the 2 primary 1. But if you are in primary 2, you should be able to recognize letters, Abi. Can you recognize letters? So you pick your Quran, you strive to learn it. Is it like you don't say, baby, I can't read fluently. No, you strive to learn it. That's small. Oh Allah. The one you don't know, you can skip it. Small. Is it clear? So you read it, maybe 30 minutes, 15 minutes every day. But the ones you have committed into your memories, the one you have memorized, is it clear? The one you have memorized, you make sure you recite them. You know when you go into your classes now, you read your basic reading. From what you read your basic text, English studies, you read your Quran too, right? Those verses you have memorized, be reading them at home offhand. Is it clear? Because you have committed them to your memories, so you can easily read them without looking at mushaf, without looking at mushaf. What's not mushaf? What of mushaf? Quran. Is it clear? You get me? Yes. Hello. What do I call it? Mushaf. A copy of Quran. A copy of Quran. Is it clear? Also, you don't fight. You don't fight. And you don't abuse people. You don't abuse people. When you are fasting, you don't fight. You don't abuse anybody. Is it clear? Are you with me? Hello, Oyiba. Are you with me? You don't do what? You don't fight. You don't. I'm talking. You don't fight. You are beating somebody here. What's the problem? Don't abuse. Are you with me? Ramadan Mubarak. So we pray unto Almighty Allah to accept this Ramadan as an act of ibadah from us. Amen. Also, from mistakes, let me tell you this. From mistake people make is that they say Ramadan Kareem, but the one we have evidence for is Ramadan Mubarak. Is it clear? So you want to greet anybody for Ramadan, you say Ramadan Mubarak, not Ramadan Kareem, not Ramadan. You say Ramadan Mubarak. Is it clear? So now you go into your various classes. Be reminded that tomorrow, inshallah Rahman, you'll be starting your examination. I want to believe you have read, have you? So, if you are still owing us, you are not writing say serve the Lord. You know yourselves, Abi?
Yes.
Those of you that were given notice home, you are not writing by their hand. We are in my son.